Hello, Caleb.
Guys, it's been a while. I've not been coming to Walmart for some weeks now.
For some months. It's not even week. I can't remember the last time.
For some months now, and today I decided to come. We are here to get some few groceries, and this boy.
Today, she decided to take a shot. See?
Yeah, this boy has decided to be with me like Shreka. See what he's trying to do.
Come and take the camera. Come and hold it.
Guys, welcome to Personal Family. We are in Walmart now. We want to check a few things. Today we will stick with what we came here to do. Today I made some lists. Today I made some lists so that we will go according to, and I know we will not go according to the but we will stick to the list first before anything. So we are in the bedding session. I want to check comfort time. Bed sheet. This bed sheet that I like this color. This color is very good. This one, it has different shade of colors. So let's go, guys. So we are going to the baby session. We want to get baby cereal and cornflakes. So let's go. You want to go to daddy?
No.
Go to daddy. Where? You and daddy should wear. Wow. She's cute.
Come.
Wow. Cow.
Boy.
2026. Price in say. Okay, you different that you don't care to me, you know.
So buy one.
Nento back when nento any of the food no.
Enough.
Any of the puri ni bino. A toddler. Say your on seasoning ones. No doors to come at least for breakfast. Shall we say? Okay. Yeah, ground beef. Corn beef minimum say. And yes, say. Maybe a meal be okay. Back on 9 no.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
To be back on.
What should I say? Cassie me ni okay.
Say yes.
Yeah, you was. I saw you better. Ebe pie kusi no.
Spice is not never you.
Yeah. Yeah, you be one no. They not heard no garlic powder, ginger, meat.
Garlic.
Yeah, garlic powder one.
So is it onions?
Any other?
So mine's onion.
Ah, okay. Onions are much chucha. Yeah, pay onion powder. Paprika.
Yeah.
I need a turkey. I need a turkey. Okay. Any. Come here, should I name me like
What's here?
tell you need fresh turkey. Is it that brand? Oh, okay. Yeah. But say you would yeah na your title for Thanksgiving and then we just put it down. Like maybe just say brand and is it anyone?
That farmers are
Sprouts.
yes, still $17.
Wow.
But now it's small.
I don't know na your neck when it be well.
Now it was, yeah.
Oh, okay. Ribs.
Really,
Then when it na ya out on
yeah.
then too. At least I need a bit in there young coin. Any, we had there now here good. We found a zoom it too much another day. 0.6, but it's
A video.
so when your baby is a breastfeeding baby, when you're 18 months breast, still if I can breast. Yeah, you're doing the same. Oh goodness. Let's go and get ready first. Yeah, it did be actually, and it's very good for that. True. I know. Sometimes you didn't in temper. Sometimes I know. But yeah, it's into too. Enter the white. They are not on it here. Okay, let's shut down, Hannah. And let's shut Hannah. This one. Okay, so when I was pregnant, I used to like this. So two bread. I'll finish this one then. Yeah, peanuts. Guys, sometimes we like bread. Okay. Cornflakes. Cornflakes. Ah, this flapper hapa yeto no. Yeah, you papa.
Last I said, and I'm saying rice, better.
Yeah, but I said, what's sick? I crab you or no?
Yeah, so maybe. Yeah. Now, okro. So maybe you can just take one. Do we still have some? No. Maybe small one, you are. What's it? Yeah. But
Let me get tomatoes, small tomatoes.
yeah. We can. Check that count. Where so you be? There's another one there. And our old news. Okay. Thank you. This side.
He doesn't want to walk. He has decided the process. He started shopping. I don't know. But he's also heavy now. Now my
Yeah.
We came to Walmart and we are packing our things, our groceries. Into way, at least a bit more try up to next. Say I got 2 weeks now, but some way I know so.
3 months.
3 months pa.
Oh.
3 months.
And do 3 months of year is not coming to market. Yeah.
3. Okay, I said the last time Uber shopping, is it not early first week of this May? Now buy shopping, you know. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's too much.
It's too much. You're consuming too much. But sometimes I know did so. And I say meat na you consuming them because you're the most of the things.
And aside that, sometimes I still buy shopping from
other places. Dollar General.
Outside.
Yeah. Like
rising chicken or
oh goodness, guys, this is me. This is how I'm looking like. It's been a while. I've not been coming to shopping these days. Like since, is it May? No, April. Yeah, since April I've not been coming to Walmart. And today I decided to come with my family. That's my husband and my baby boy. But my baby boy has showed me shaggy because he has not been seeing me since last month. It was he and the daddy that used to come to Walmart for shopping. But today that I joined them, he decided to show me mafia things by letting me hold him while we are shopping. I have to breastfeed him. My hand is paining me, guys. It's also getting late. We have to go home. I have some editing that I was doing. I haven't finished. I don't know. These days, me, I've not been uploading my videos on time. Like, I've not been consistent. Yeah, I've not been consistent. And I've been busy. And I hope by next week going, things will bounce back. We brought water for this boy. This boy took small water and did not finish. Like, he just took small water and continue with the breast. He has been sucking the breast since this. So let's get home and what do you have to say? Huh? What do you have to say to mommy? Why were you showing me mafia things today? Oh, sorry. Say hi. Say hi. I'm the boy that decided to show my mommy mafia. Right? By not walking, by not sitting down. Is that not it? What do you have to say? Oh, Papa show shoe nice. Said about you walk. You decided not to walk. Oh, I'm going home, guys.